Morning. So, eh, magkakape ako na ngunaw. Then may nakita ko yung mga spare na coffee creamer from McDo. So, since nagpapaya tayo, we have to check how many calories is the one sachet of McDo coffee creamer. So, let us read. So, McDo coffee creamer, how many calories? Dali nang una natin sagutin. Quick lang. Di natin siya mabasa kasi sa normal lang. So, hindi ka label. So, we need to use the BJ. Ayan. Nutrition facts, serving size 3 grams. Number of servings per container pack 1. So, calories is 15 calories. So nasagot ang tanong. How many calories? 15 calories. So, tuloy pa rin natin ang konti yung label reading so we can know. Kasi medyo lactose intolerance na tayo sa dairy product. So, we have to check kung pwede to sa mga lactose intolerance. So, excuse me pa. I'm under the weather. What did happen? So, ingredients: glucose syrup, refined palm oil, milk protein. So, pag allergic ka sa milk, medyo may problem ka rito kasi it has milk protein, yung caseinate, then emulsifier, fatty acid, stabilizer, yan yung mga colorants. Ito yung silicon dioxide is like a preservative. So, allergen and sensitives contains milk. Kaya yan nga. Derivatives, edible oil, sulfites, and corn derivatives. So, pack for McDonald's Philippines by Advanced Food Concept Manufacturing Incorporated, Simulong Highway, Marikina City. This product is not suitable for infant feeding and is not a breast milk substitute. Expiry date, see data printed. So, yun guys. So, na-label read natin yung coffee creamer. So, ituloy pa natin ng konti dahil curious tayo. So, ang total carbohydrates niya is 2 grams per sachet. As expected, wala siyang masyadong vitamins. Pero meron siyang konting zinc and potassium and iodine. Okay, so may protein din siya gawa sa milk na 0.1 gram. So, dahil nasa bahay lang naman ako tumaga, so ite-take ko yung risk kasi lactose intolerance na ako. May lactose intolerance ako, so kumukuha yung tiyan ko, pero nasa bahay lang naman ako, tumaga naman. So, I will take the risk and I will take it naman. So, nasagot ang tanong. The short answer is, how many calories one coffee creamer? It is 15 calories or kilocalories. Ang calories ng coffee creamer na McDo. So at least nabasa natin siya, nakita natin siya na hindi siya imported. It is made in Malabon. So yun guys, good morning, salamat po.